Previously on The Bartender.
Sandra!
Winston, baby mother, Sandra for you.
Remember later. One tear.
My head start hurt me again.
Babes, go on to the doctor, alright? And keep me posted.
Your son has been asking for a bicycle over a week now.
And you left all the way from country, come here so you can tell me that?
Well, you haven't been answering your phone.
And you track me down?
You see, when you get papers to sign, you can read it over. So now, you are the CEO of your land scamming ring.
No, say you're wicked. But I never know say you're wicked. For your comeback, it's like you neglect everything.
Yo, Five, stop going like you know have no sense, bad man.
No call me no bad man.
Yo, you know see what I go on from the other day? Eh? What you feel like, say? Me have to stay up there and make them come. Yo, you may say no man, relax yourself and think, yeah?
But we can DJ to you now.
You can DJ?
Of course we can DJ, Mr. Albert, sir. January, February, March.
It's! We have to sign it right now. I want to
What go on, you alright?
Good man.
You sure?
I just some personal issues we can ask you, but I'm good. And you know, so I didn't want to thank you for being my sister out of jail. Yeah, man. You've been a big help, and I know I'm going to come by you.
Remember I always tell you, man, no matter what, I got did it for you.
But seriously though, you know, it's time for me to get a full-time job.
Okay. So, what kind of qualifications you have?
Me do a course and get a marketing degree, so I'll just go back to do that.
You have marketing degree and I work a bar?
I only choose bartending because it's more exciting. Could have bothered with the sun in the office 9 to 5. I could have do it, I don't mind stay that.
You can make more money doing marketing. Bartending work are just pure stress and man I look you and them sitting there.
True. A bartending I have so much stress right now, so I just go back to marketing. More safe this to me.
So you have any company in mind?
You know, some say ads in the newspaper for a marketing officer.
Eh? So what is the name of the company?
Place called Bean Apple.
Well, you need to go check it out.
I'm gonna check it out because I have all the requirements.
Hey, you have all the requirements. I would like to acquire some of those requirements.
Ain't it too rude? Smutty.
So tell me something. Your sister today?
She's not there, Awa. She's not here.
Alright. I'll come link you shortly. So look out for me.
It's not like somebody try to take a fair ride. Just sometimes the timing off.
So what's wrong with the timing now?
Well, for one, my sister can walk in here at any time.
Maybe half forget your own place.
I know, but I don't think we're ready for that yet.
You think so me an idiot, don't? You take me for one big idiot.
Carton, don't say that. It's just
No,
so...
shut up. Let me tell you this. We know about you and Goody little puppy. Yeah. We know you used to flirt with the doctor. You know the boy a Aki walk. The blue Honda. The white BMW. And Steve. But let me tell you something. I'll come and check for you. I think you have potential. You just need to get rid of the little money, loose, promiscuous behavior. And don't try to take me if you're an idiot. You understand?
Yeah.
You know, it's enough time you ask for money to do one thing and take it and do something else. But I laugh off of that because when you think enough money, a chump change for me. What does it say? I check for you. Think you have potential. I really feel like more I help you. Okay?
Yeah.
Cheer up, man. You look so defeated.
No to post crackers. Brownie could have never serious to blow. Brownie! Brownie! Come here little day.
Don't move it up.
Brownie now him.
A friend is what?
How much friend you have, sir?
What you mean?
Brownie me never stutter. How much friend you have, sir? Plus why the whole of them have to seem so intimate? Hey, it's not a guest house me around. You hear that? So why you never want to take money from her? The money's...
Let me know what you want from me.
I said I told you how things to work out, so I believe it. Chanel, let me see you.
Are you ready?
Slimmers, nice to meet you.
Sir, how old it be?
Old enough. I'm sure I'll be seeing you again.
What wrong with you?
Browning, the man look like an old man. Him look at least twice your age. Seriously? Me not for ask Christ if he married. Brownie, come on, man. You don't need them people there around you. Plus, I way my talk when he say ma see me soon.
Nobody worry about that, but what I mean. Just know say it's a good thing to have people like him in our life. Because of feelings, bail out of jail.
Cockaford. So what that mean? So if you call him back in here and kneel down in front of him and say thank you?
You see how you carry on? And when we're done, you talk about me and grateful. Come like a family trait.
Brownie, me no want you a prostitute out yourself for me. Me know how to survive.
You hear yourself? So you mean to tell me say, I find somebody to bail you out of jail? And the best thing you can say to me, Browning, is that you don't want me to prostitute myself for you?
Browning, you know why you always go back at square one? You don't know how to judge character. Because me just see this man and me don't know him and my spirit not take him.
Your spirit not for take him, you know. I know you are take him. And me.
That's your friggin' shape body.
Where you go?
I touch the road.
So road not have no name. Winston, I ask you a question, you know.
I don't think them area, you know.
Ooh.
The neighbor them. Let me tell you something. You see, from now on, when you talk to me, Five, you talk to me, not the whole community. You overs. You me a talk to, you know.
Yes, Winston.
And it's only about questioning thing. You have a leg off of that too, you know. You see me? You have to understand, you know. Me not playing a front page thing right now. My 3 points them belong to me and I'm gonna stay as such. You see me? So you see the front page, and you have a broadcast that from now on. You see me? The shop are your responsibility, Five. You see? You hear me say me I make a move, bad man. But I will a fool mission in my ears. You see me? Your thing that now. You see me? Because I have too much to deal with right now. Shop can't give me what I want, you know. And I can't go like me an idiot out in the street. You hear me I say to you?
So your plan to continue? You just get up every day and gone. You don't say nothing to me.
Five. This now help none of it, here. This way I do right now, now help none of it. Crying. I mean, should I have crying now, so me I do? Eh? I have to figure out what I go on right now and deal with it. How it's supposed to deal with it. Because I don't go round and come round. My 3 points them I go stay. You understand what I say?
So when you gonna let me at daytime and me out this up on the front, you know what can happen to me?
Five, you have alright, yeah? And me have to worry. Yeah? Allow me, let me deal with this thing, yeah? How it's supposed to deal with it.
Where you follow me from?
I'm me, Bubbles, I'm me, man.
Oh, you.
I'm me, good ear.
Yo, you have to... You can't walk up on people, so you know, brother.
I come here.
No, you have to hear from far. You know, see how things and time are going now. Plus people are wear masks, you don't know who is who.
Everything good, Bubbles. But I move like a secret agent, though.
Careful, yeah? Careful. Look more.
Hi, Andre.
Hello, Bernard.
So that is where it is at now? Just Bernard?
Listen, you asked me to meet you here, and I'm here.
You want something to eat?
No, I'm good.
So how long you plan to keep this up?
I don't know. Maybe for the rest of my life.
So is it that bad?
What do you mean?
Now, how you turn on my air conditioner?
So you came out in only this?
never know so no rain ever fall, you know. Shut, God.
I see you being tracked.
Yo, Sandra, no bother with the idiot thing, you know.
Who you calling an idiot?
Oh, you reach us, my girl.
Hold this. And I'm not your girl. I am the mother of your child and a woman.
Yo, we can change the subject, please.
Subject changed.
Why you never just come for the money and buy the bicycle for your kid?
Because for once, I think we should do something together as his parents. Do you have an issue with that? Would you like me to tell her to call back?
How far on this?
My husband.
And you have me to drive your husband's vehicle?
Because I don't know Kingston that well.
Yo, no one nobody see me and come bust me head in a Sandra.
Are you insinuating that if my husband saw us together that he wants to hurt you? He's a pussycat. He won't hurt a fly.
I hear you. I hear you, man.
Service. Come sell me something.
What you could have want now? Wait, let me guess. Cheese tricks.
That too. And more. I want cheese tricks, cheese crunches, cheesies, and cheesy gold.
What else you want with cheese? You not stop?
You know them be a nice snack already. What's when me stress out?
Well, cheese tricks done. So I know what you are gonna do.
Replace it with a big food.
That no?
I mean no too. So what's Shoppy there?
Barely my right, you know.
Oh, that sounds so. Come pull this. I don't feel like a prisoner.
But he took care of you and gave you everything.
And that's supposed to make it better? Look, Uncle Bernard, my father, your brother, was into human trafficking. Plus he used to beat my mother.
But he did his time and came out. And even after he has been dead 4 years now and gone, you can't find it in your heart to forgive him and maybe come to one of his memorial?
No. When he was giving me everything, he didn't realize that he was traumatizing other families. If me was ever a policeman, lock him up myself.
So it's because of your father why you tried to get into the force?
Yes.
So why did you drop out?
Uncle Bernard, human trafficking is a serious thing, you know. So I just ask you, please just respect me on this. When me find out that my father was into human trafficking, it mashed me up. I couldn't find no forgiveness in my heart. For him, listen, if you don't forgive him, that good. Me another dead, and my father was never an honorable man.
So that means you won't come to visit us anymore?
Uncle Bernard, I have no issues visiting you. Just don't let me feel guilty not coming to his memorials. I have to be somewhere. Kiss Auntie Yvonne for me and tell her I love her. And we'll catch up with you.
I just worry about him. Because him sound like he want to take on Carlton and the policeman will beat him up.
If I the same police, we always the behind a Carlton, you try to talk him outside, yeah? Because you see him, Carlton just have to say the word and him ready.
I talk to him, you know, but him not listen, girl. Him behavior change, and me I run the shop, me fear deal with the hot dog, when stock for check, pack out everything I mean. It look like I me ever gonna start doing for him swim around Saturdays. Because the last time I said fish business, he nearly kill my feet. It all look like he want to go back into this badness thing.
Can't do them something, you know.
Don't tired for call your phone, cause I can't leave you alone.
Why you not answer your phone?
I'm a father girl. Can't marry him right now.
You know me never hear you talk about your father yet? How are you and him no good?
And I said me and him not good enough. I can't do it for him. Lifestyle.
Him a bad man too?
But I did girl, he's a spiritual healer.
Your father a Obeah man?
So he's not a Obeah man. He is a spiritual healer.
Him is a Obeah man. You're not for shame, you know. Sometimes we need a little extra protection there in our life.
I said it there.
Same way, so. How would this?
So what aggravates you now?
What? Oh, nobody. I just saw you to text it for me.
It seems like you find an next dog bed.
What with that? Come give me my things and I'm going over now.
Hey, what else you say you want? With cheese.
Everything with cheese. Let me get enough bone.
Take up our macaroni.
Honestly, place closed.
I thought because it was Christmas, it would have been open.
I should have checked on them thing, man.
It's your job to check on these things when it's done.
Sandra, man, I have time for the food and the shit.
So you're saying you don't have time for your son?
Yo, when I left out of my yard before the time started, I came out as a lock-up place.
Let's just go. What you gonna do, bud? What you gonna do, bud?
Stuff you think proper Goody? Yeah, man. A businessman in my own Bolivar business.
What are you lucky? You know, if I'm still in a business with you, I said, well, what in your space?
In a over space. A most outer space. You never ever get back a chance there.
But you know, good business partner now.
Yeah, when I have it there to make money. Three knows I'm efficient, I'm always get the job done. Plus remember the goody.
Yeah, girl.
So you're saying?
Of course, then my friend couldn't get big opportunity for me, I'm saying no.
Alright. So you know, so you have to be the face of the company now. Yeah. Come here, no people person. Plus, I don't have patience.
I know that I'm my middle name.
Alright, so I'm going to make you get a work phone. And at no point in time, the purchaser they must have a personal number. Plus, after we complete every transaction, we're going to change chip.
Change chip?
Why? Because, you know, some people stay already. They want to call you for everything. They want you get land surveyor for them. They want to see if you can get a reasonable contractor. That's not too much. We can't bother with that. So after we sell them the land, them go and go get who they want to do the rest of things there.
Alright, cool. So a business name?
Name?
Yeah, the business name, the name?
Yeah. It name MG Land Agency. But we're not gonna really advertise, you know, so it's not necessary if you use the name. A special purchasers alone we are dealing with.
Oh, okay. So I'm gonna have like a portfolio and so with the properties that we're gonna have for sale.
Yeah, but it's a virtual one, because most of what we are gonna do are gonna be online.
Really Goody. After my day, I say I'm gonna buy up my suit, then my master match my suit and so on act out.
Here there. Yeah. Everything I could do online. You know, sister, it's a virtual world we are living in now. Well, you might have 1 and 2 in-person meeting if you do. But you know, that's how the big spenders them when I go ball on the price.
Really, girl.
Alright, so what I want you to do is to the land them, the people that may go buy it, a bid we bid it. Because the land them cheap. Okay. So we are go for the highest bid. So you see once the transaction complete, the account number here, then I go send the money to this account number. And you get 5% from it. You good with that?
Sounds good to me.
Alright.
What going, Debbie?
Nothing did me. You good?
Yeah, man, I'm good.
Anyways, Goody, we'll link you later.
Big a minute at a time now.
I understand how she feels still. Because it's not easy losing a child.
I realize that.
Baby,
Someone, before you say anything, really want to tell you thanks to make me run the studio here, yeah? I understand say you need your time and your space. But I don't mind we being friends. The truth is, I never loved Brown. I look at things go on, I want to live up to my responsibilities. I'm going to have to show you what I go on. As somebody who I love and rate as my best friend.
Well, respect that still if you tell me the truth.
So you say, we can hug and seal the deal of a new friendship?
No.
Alright, I understand.
We can shake hands.
Mr. Daly, sir!
How was that? You're country bartender.
Charmian?
Yeah. You know, say, I forgot to tell you, say she come link you the other day and she can sing 2 songs for me and she bad.
Charmian?
I go vice her.
Wait, Damien. Charmian?
Yes, Charmian.
Anybody there?
Where come?
Miss Goody there today?
Yeah. Yes, Charmian, we'll come in.
So that takes a long now. Mr. DB, sir! Charmian reporting for DJ Rurk.
He means that Obia man. You're not for shame, you know. Sometimes we need a look at extra. Come again. Are the camera for looking at? He means that Obia man. You're not for shame, you know. Sometimes we need a look at extra. Again. But we can't say extra.
Jesus, sir. No, me are shooting the big light in my back.
Brownie not who him? A friend is what? A friend? Shit, sorry. Wait, but that's alright. That's right. A friend is what?
Action.
Charmaine reporting for DJ Rourke.
Oh dear.